video, we are here to teach you the integrals of arctan x dx, which is one of the parts of the example of integration by parts. And in solving the questions of this form, this arctan s can be write as dot 1 dx. So, which indicate that we have a uv. So, and in integrating the value of uv dx, it has a common formula to say that u integral v dx minus integral du dx dot integral v dx all total dx. So we are now going to apply the value of u and v into this formula. So we have, in integrating the both, let's try to substitute. What is the value of u? Arctan x, and the v is 1 dot integral v dx. We have integral v dx, which is 1 dx minus, now integrate. So the u ds, we have d to differentiate the arctan x to multiply integral 1 dx. So we have the total dx, so which we have arctan x dot x minus integral. So the moment you differentiate arctan x, we have 1 over 1 plus s square dot. When you integrate 1 ds, we have ds, which is x, all total dx. So let's rewrite it again to have a very common formula. We have arctan x, you put this x at the back, minus integral. So let's try to put x at the top. We have a 1 plus s square all dx. But to make it easy, let's represent this by having integral x onto 1 plus s square dx. So let's firstly integrate this and let's see what it gives us before we continue. So in integrating this, we can try to put something like, let y is equal to 1 plus s squared. Let's differentiate y. You said the y dx is equal to 2x. I want to try to do something to make the s as the subject of the formula. So which we have the x is equal to the x. In making these the formula, so you divide both sides by 2s, so we have the y over 2x. So I recall that something like I1 is the integral x over 1 plus s square ds, which I'll be able to represent it like x over y dx. So therefore the I1 will now be integral x over what is the y, so to multiply, so dx, the value of ds is dy over 2x. So the s can cancel x, the I1 will be integral dy over y. So in this is a logarithm form, which is I1 will now give us, I1 give us log. So this is 1/2 here. So half on 2. I'm trying to claim it. So the integrations of 1 over y will now give us log e base e. So this is the value of I1. So now the integrals of arctan x dx, arctan x dx is give us x arctan x minus I1, and we are able to get the value of I1 to be half of. So we have x arctan x minus half log y base e plus constant. So therefore we have x arctan x minus half log. So the value of y, I'm able to represent it by something before I start solving that. The value of my y is 1 plus s squared. So therefore, so you now write that 1 plus s squared. So now plus c. So this is the final value of the integral of arctan x dx. So I want you to follow this channel for more of this solution. Thanks for watching.